Yeah, things with that for this country, they really pay me. I no lie, they really pay me. They really pay me. Because I would not day. You could not hear news, person talk by insecurity where they supposed to provide self. Security where they supposed to provide. Even though say we they lack other resources, we they lack employment, we they lack many basic things supposed to the benefit. But government choose to take all those benefits for themselves. We know when they talk about all the benefits them. But insecurity make person dey safe for the country. You know what they supposed to do? Instead, all these governors are part of these terrorist people. All these governors all these people in government are part of the people in terrorists. They are sponsoring all these terrorists. They are sponsoring all these terrorists. So they know even Tinubu himself know. He know say he no fit do anything. All these terrorists wey these Fulani people wey dey Nigeria, these people get power pass government. Government no suppose, and wetin go make dem hold like that? Maybe they don hold one of the dice. They dey under blood oath, or they get wetin dem hold against Tinubu. Wey be say if they come after Tinubu, dem fit release that thing. The only wetin me fit dey see for this thing, so only wetin me fit dey see, because nothing go tell me say you hear say 200 people kpai, you dey give date the day wey you go there. You dey give date the day wey you go there for you to take action, for you to say okay, you no be say you no know where these people dey, you know where these people dey. For you to say okay, I should not be like this. 10,000 police, 10,000 army enter so place for Benin, enter so place for Port Harcourt, enter so place for Enugu. Start dey find these people, start dey find them. Any person wey spoil inside bush, lock am. It's a suspect. Any person wey spoil inside bush, carry am. All these Fulani people, all the kpai people, if you see anyone who come, carry am. But no, they no go do am. They no go do am because these people hold our president for blockade. They hold our president for blockade. They hold our president for blockade because maybe they don't want that blood this thing, allegedly. Maybe because to me it's not making sense. It's not making sense that when your people, only what you can say is that let people have peace talk. Peace talk as wetin you dey encourage them for the land wey they dey. People say they don already buy nko. Those people have vision. They have vision. They have future. They have dream. They have things to do. They are not useless. Don't be saying an animal. They are a human being. Don't buy like that. They don't kill them. People full. Person they sleep for your house. Don't be say those people come attack them for their own bush. They sleep for their own house. They carry fuel, surround their house, burn them alive inside the house. And you know as fair fire they be. Fair fire, once fair fire catch like this, that is you go be like say they inside hair. That is the experience of hair fire. But government cannot understand all these things because they are part of it. They are part of it. They are saying all these things, all this talk where the system government they talk, all this rubbish talk wey president dey talk. They are saying it just to follow along. Make nobody say they won't talk anything. But true, President Tinubu hand down. He hand down. He get wetin dey go on. He get something wey we say we no know. Wey we say wey dey hidden, wey dey security. Wey we say we no know. Because no tell me say outside people, and they don already confirm these people say these people are not Nigeria. These people doing this thing are not Nigeria. So why are you taking time for you to take action? These people are claiming that Benue State are their land. They are claiming, okay, if na land, how you go make it by person wey concern land and human being? Benue State, people wey be say na there for born them, na there the generation dey. People from outside come in to tell you say all these people, all these government president people, they are using all Fulani people for election time. These people hold them for blockade. They hold them for blockade. Nigeria got to wake up. We got to wake up. Start speaking to end bad government. This 2027, we got to wake up to pay attention of everything we go play. Because I no go like am wey be say that is a tenor wey be say we never say anything wey you don do. You are coming back in the second tenor to coming back to do wetin? Coming back to do wetin? Coming back to do wetin? He wan kukuma kill everybody wey dey this country. May you know say you don kill everybody. Wan kukuma kill everybody. Nothing you don do for this country wey be good news. Nothing you don do wey person take smile. Nothing you don do, President Tinubu. Nothing you don do wey person take smile. As you enter, first of all change national anthem wey dey you own. National anthem wey dey you own o. No say national anthem be problem o. You change am. Play. You increase fuel price. This is na joke. Fuel enter 1,000 naira. You no go come down again. Fuel wey be say before you enter, fuel na 190. Before you enter, fuel skyrocket. You no earn for there. You know say once fuel cost, all those people dey do transportation go start dey add money for the motor, for their own transportation, because fuel don cost. Wetin dey take dey transport things don cost. So as they add money now, people wey dey sell goods, people wey dey sell things, wey dey make use of transportation, go still add their own money for the things wey dey sell. If na lighter or toothpaste or anything, indomie, anything, they go add money for on top of that thing. Because why? Transportation don high. They are not seeing all this thing. They are doing all this thing to collapse in Nigeria. Play. We don't hear say they don't borrow money. Billions of naira upon Nigeria head. What are they using those money for? Those money they borrow. What are they using it for? I never see anything with Tinubu do where impact the youth, where impact the Nigerian people, where say for the good of the interest of the people. I never see am. Tinubu dey come, they talk say, hey, let's take it on the peace talk. Peace talk for wetin? Peace talk for terrorists. Terrorists wey don really kill 200 people. You are saying let's take it on the peace talk. People, una got to think o. Una got to think. These people are playing selfish game with people's life. They are playing game with people's life. Una think na joke. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. You got to wake up. Shine your eye. These people, na say you go dey. You go dey. Don't tell me this is dey happen o. You don't tell me today how they say my people. Only this year alone, 25. So they don't buy almost close to 2,000 people. This 200 people they yes so don't buy. Where we say very man purposely go do vacation of your own. Now because say he don't tire to the year. So he won't go wickedness and see what's in the shop. Now make us feel see this one. If not, these people they cover all the mess, they cover everything. Government they go buy pest, they go buy 100 of people for so place. Government go come, they will cover everything. No news wey go carry better, we go bring am in a way we say people are dying. Instead they go paint am, try do am, then start dey upload. You see all the blogger them, you see all the bloggers, you get to the fear o. They fear them. Be careful who you listen to. But who you listen to depend what influence you. If they listen to person like D1, you go dey mumu anyhow. You go dey useless anyhow because D1 don't have anything to offer you. You don't have anything to offer you. That guy is just useless. Person will come and open your mouth and say, wetin Nigeria need light for? Oh God. Hey! Person will come out and say, wetin Nigeria need light for? Light. Look, you on your own. Just you are the watchman on your own. Think what is the benefit when light come into this country 24 hours? Things go start to fall in place. Electric bike go start to enter the country. E go destroy the demand of fuel. Na make Tinubu carry 10 billion of solar go keep for your own house because he no get plan to give us light for the country. But he promise us say he go give us light 12 hours for this country for enter seat. He promise us say he go give us light 12 hours. But as he enter, he go carry 10 billion of solar, 10 billion from China. 10 billion go Brazil. You go say Brazil 10 billion na you take carry am go install for your own house for your own personal use. To tell you say this guy he's still having plan to give us light 24 hours in this country. Let me can in they go now. They meet all these influential people for different states. They buy the money for them to vote, support them in 2027. In 2027, election will never reach. To tell say this, all this they are doing now, this campaign they are doing now earlier is a corruption, is a go law. Let me can Nigeria when they pay attention of all everything they have for country. Let me can we go that day once you go collapse, before we realize what they happen. We got to pay attention of what they solve for the betterment of this country. Pay attention. Peace out.